In this video, we're going to talk about conditional operators, or more specifically, ternary operators. So let's take a look. Sometimes we do a very small procedure like this. If we have a short condition and we have a short result, y equals 1, else y equals -1. So all these are really kind of short, real easy to use code. We're using 1, 2, 3, 4 lines to write this. There's another way we can write it, and we can write it just like this. We can say y is equal to, and then we have this. What is this? Inside our parentheses is our condition, x is greater than 0. Then we have a question mark with a 1. That corresponds to the y equals 1. And then we have y equals -1, which corresponds to the else. And we'll look at the details of this in a minute, but it's a quick way to write a short if-else statement. And it's called a ternary operator, but let's talk about why it's the ternary operator. So we have unary operator. So I++, this is a unary operator. This operator, the ++ operator, operates on a single variable, I. Or a single operand is a way to look at it, okay? A binary operator is like the plus sign or a minus sign or multiplication sign. It operates on 2 things, so it's binary because of 2. It operates on the 3 and 4, and it adds them together in this case. Okay, so the ternary operator operates on 3 things. So the ternary operator is actually a combination of the question mark and the colon together. It's a ternary operator because there's 1, 2, 3 things involved in the operation. Ternary, TER for 3. So how does it work? We have some kind of Boolean expression followed by a question mark, and then we have a statement that's going to run if it's true. So if this is true, it runs this. Otherwise, it runs this expression. So think of it as an if statement with no if in front. Boolean expression. If this is true, then we do this. Otherwise, or else, we do this. So it's a real short if-else statement. Here is an example of a long way to print out if a number is even or odd. If the number modulus 2 is equal to 0, we're going to print out number is even. Else, we're going to print out number is odd. So 4 lines. Here's the same thing. Technically, this could go on 1 line, but for this slide, it's not quite fitting. Systemout.println, if number divided by 2 equals 0, okay, it's the same condition we had up here. Then we have a question mark. That means we're going to print out number is even. Else, we're going to print out number is odd. The number is odd. So we combined all these and got it to fit actually on 1 line. Again, it's a slide with a big font, so it's divided between 2 lines. But this code is technically 4 lines, and this is a single line. It's great when you're doing little short things like this. The ternary operator is a nice shorthand.